Hey guys, I'm back with some human hair that I picked up from Reshine Hair, and y'all know I love Reshine Hair. I have really rocked with them all summer, and now we into the fall, and I said if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Every unit that I purchased from them, I absolutely love. So I picked up another one, and I said, let me come on here and show my friends. I can't remember what I got, but if you look in the description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig as well as all the details. Reshine, okay? They are the company that when people ask me, is this some human hair you recommend? My mind automatically goes to Reshine because they have some bomb hair. Not only is the wig in here, but there's a care card, some HD stocking caps, some regular stocking caps, and some eyelashes. And the wig. Like I said, I don't remember what I got, but I'm just reading directly off of here, looking at the description box. This is a 24-inch water wave wig. Which means this wig is about to be so friggin' easy, y'all. There's nothing to cut off. There's nothing to pluck. There's nothing to dye. There's nothing to blow dry. This wig is just easy. Look at that. Well, let me show you the outside first. This is what I mean when I say there's nothing to do. Look at God. Look at that. Look at God. Easy. Okay? As far as the cap construction goes, though, you get this closure up here. I want to say that's a 4x4, but I could be wrong. Look in the description box. You also get no combs, but you get the band already sewn in. And I can speak from, because I done had this wig, y'all, in every pattern this summer. You don't really need combs because it lays so flush to your head, okay? Because you get this band that's sewn in. This is truly a definition of a glueless wig. This is going to be extremely quick. Like, all I have to do is put this on, throw some water on it, and y'all, I'm good to go. I'll be out the door, okay? This won't take long. Let me do that, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts, y'all. Be right back. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, on trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but you don't really want it. I just wanna get away. You're still right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you This is why I have been rocking with Reshine all summer, y'all. Like, all I did was plop that on my head, and this is what we got. Like, this is... at this point, I have this wig in straight. I have it in... y'all, I got it in every just about hair texture that you can think of. I have a kinky straight, I have a kinky curly in this exact wig because this wig is just that bomb. I really love this unit, and I definitely recommend it. The density on this is nice. The hair quality, I can't speak to that because, you know, normally I review hair and then it's gone. I have worn these wigs out so many times that I can speak to the hair quality. The hair quality on these, bomb.com. I'm not getting any shedding, any tangling when I wear them out. One of these actually went on me on a mini road trip, and I kept it on the entire time, and I was fine. No shedding, no tangling, none of that. So I definitely can speak to the quality of the Reshine Hair, and I can speak to these wigs and say, if you have not gotten you one of these yet, you definitely need to. If this water wave been doing it for you, like I said, every hair texture you can think of, they make this wig in. This is a bomb. This is bomb.com. I parted it over here to the left since y'all say I never do a left part. But no, because of that parting space, you can do the middle, the right, the left, whatever you want to do in that parting space that you get there. So this one is definitely dope. Definitely recommend it. I try to, at the end of the video, link a few more of my other videos with this wig and different textures so you guys can check those out as well. Until next time, y'all, which will be very, very soon. Bye.